So this is the eufyCam S3 Pro 2-camera kit. And yeah, let's take a look inside the box. Some instructions on the top there. Here we have 2 cameras, 4K cameras. And in the bottom here, here's the hub. So hook this up to your router. And in this box, we have some instruction manuals. So yeah, you get a bunch of paperwork in here. And in this box here is the solar panel. So you can charge it up just by plugging this in. And in this box here, we have a bunch of accessories. So you have your mounts. So you can screw this to the wall and then just screw this onto the camera so they can stay in place. And then we have Ethernet cables, power supply, and the various screws and stuff to install them. And so yeah, let's go set this up and see how it works. With its high quality 4K lens and 135-degree field of view, you can spot details from up to 39 feet away or get a clear look at any potential intruders. With its Pro Vision, it features max color vision technology, which is powered by AI to help the 4K cameras deliver crystal clear daylight footage, even in pitch dark conditions. With a default setting for night surveillance, the image quality is balanced and true to life, suitable for monitoring high traffic and well-illuminated areas with ambient light. It also has enhanced brightness, color, and dynamic range, which reduces dark corners and is suitable for monitoring low light areas. It's bright as day with full colors, suitable for monitoring low traffic with ultra low light areas, and you can turn on spotlights for more clarity when motion is detected or during live streaming at night. And you can use infrared lights for night vision, so your live streams and events are recorded at night in black and white. And quality, as well as energy efficiency. And you can also tap a certain area in the frame to focus on and keep details clear without over or underexposing the video. The dual motion detection system, combining radar and passive infrared, accurately identifies human movement and reduces false alarms of up to 99%. And you can quickly monitor daily activities with periodic snapshots taken throughout the day on the Eufy app. This allows you to quickly review the day's events without significant battery drain, enabling effective 24/7 surveillance no matter where you are. The cameras are also super easy to set up with multiple ways to install them. With Solar Plus 2.0, the cameras can also be self-powered while being used in any outdoor environment. With the camera's integrated solar panels, which only need around 1 hour of daily sunlight to be fully charged up, even in less than ideal lighting conditions. And thanks to being water and dust proof, they can handle most types of weather conditions. And the cameras have a 13,000 milliamp rechargeable battery that enables 365 days of battery life. Its Bionic Mind AI intelligently identifies faces, humans, packages, vehicles, pets, and more. And you can also send alerts when it spots a familiar face or new visitors. The AI is continuously learning and improving based on your input, keeping you even more safe. Its cross-camera tracking helps review events from multiple angles. So this innovative feature compiles footage when it detects movement across your cameras, creating a unified event overview. The cameras are also compatible with Apple Home. You can also communicate clearly with visitors from afar or scare away intruders thanks to the dual mic array and AI-driven noise reduction, which filters out background noise and captures voices clearly. The included home base has local expandable storage, so you can even install a hard drive to expand to up to 16 terabytes of storage, all without a monthly fee. And when using the free Eufy app, you can get access to even more features for the cameras to make you feel more at ease, such as its voice activation with Alexa and Google Assistant, and you can also set activity zones for the cameras to help avoid false alarms. You can even access the live view interface and control the cameras, spotlight.
This camera with max color vision technology, powered by AI ISP and 4K camera, it delivers crystal clear day-like footage even in pitch dark conditions, without the need for a spotlight.